So it's time to create a rudimentary home page for our website. Now, we already have a home page, and that's an automatically generated list of posts, and we've seen that a few times. But I'm going to start by creating a page that will become the home page. So let's call that home. Welcome to St. Edmund's Church. Please bear with us, because this website is a work in progress. Be careful. Information isn't yet complete or accurate. So for now, that's enough to have that basic information, because we haven't got very much else to say. Now in future we're going to work hard on this page, because this may be the main page that people come and visit. But for now, I'd like to use the fact that we've already created a calendar. Now how can we get a calendar into this page? And I promised we'd come back to that. In the Timely, that Timely produced the all-in-one event calendar on their website, they list shortcodes. Now shortcodes are the magic feature of WordPress. A shortcode looks like a bracketed series of characters which indicates what does the shortcode do. So the all-in-one events calendar uses a little term called AI and then digit 1 EC to make use of its functionality, and some other instructions what we want to see. So let's try one of these out. What happens if we ask the all-in-one events calendar to bring in a weekly view calendar onto our page? Let's preview what the result is. What if I change it to monthly? Preview again. I think I like that, but let's give a little heading to that. Now, our title of a page is always going to be what's called a level 1 heading. So generally, if we have titles inside a page, we're going to want to choose level 2 or lower. So let's preview that. Perfect. It's really simple, and I'm not sure I want the site to stay looking like this or containing only this information, but perhaps already you're getting the idea that the basic structure of the site and the basic content can start to appear really quickly. So let's go ahead and publish that page. And in the appearance menu, customize, let's make that into our home page. So home page settings, we're going to choose a static page, one that's called home. Job done. But what about these posts? Well, let's not make sure they just get lost. We'll have a news and events page to hold posts. better add that to our main menu. And go ahead and publish. So now all of those events at the moment, using events, are just there, and we have our about and home pages. It's all beginning to happen. So let's visit the site. Now, here's a problem. I'm not sure it is news and events that I should have chosen as the title. Because that could be confusing. So why don't I change that to news and views? And that makes me realize that actually probably a short name would have been better. Now, nothing much seems to have happened. We've just changed the name. And almost always you just go, I've done my job. I've made a change and it's taken effect. Look, that name has changed. Everything's as it was. And I just want to mention, if you were trying to do this website page by page using some other system, that can be really complicated. In the background, WordPress is watching. I'm changing a name of a page. Well, where else does that page appear? And it works really hard to try and make sure that when you've made a change like that, it simply magically works. So for those of you who've been used to having a go at making web pages by other means, you'll appreciate what are called content management system features of WordPress, whereby it keeps track of things really well. But for now, see you later.